Here is all about how you can create a payslip using Microsoft Visual Basic. As you can see here, you need to create first in an object window. You design your payslip, how you should be. You need to include the name of the company, the payslip information, and you have maybe the location where if necessary, and the contact information is necessary. Still, you can put in the logo. In this case, now you put the full names. You have the employee name, employee PIN, we have the gender, and you have the roll number for employee or employee number. You have the department, the basic. We have the deduction, which is now the tax, NHIF, and SSF, and you have the benefits, which are allowances, gross pay, and we have the net pay for this. Once you put all those information there with the labels and text box, we have the command button. For example, pay me and record, which means it will give the payment information and automatically update in the system. We have the new record, whereby you can come, you click and you give the blank information, then you create, you give you room to type a new name for any employee, and now update in the system. Once you are through, you can update and or you can print information. This is a data link, whereby this data link you need to draw using this tool called data. This is the one you need to come here, you draw. Once you draw this, now you can start working with this. I need to show you how this can work simply and you can manage. Here we have some of the codes that you need to put. There are some code you need to put in the form mode. For example, if you come here in this object window here, you double click there, you see some of the coding which have been put in the form mode. You can see we have me.back color, and this is the color code. This means you present this color. You can see here it looks like a cyan. Then we have now with Kobo 1, whereby this Kobo 1, you can see we have this Kobo. This is the one which is Kobo 2. You have this one Kobo 1. This represents now the Kobo 1. It means when you talk about Kobo 1, you are talking about this Kobo 1, which represents the employee PIN. And now once you put that on with Kobo 1 dot text is equals in quotes employee PIN, and you close the quotes, press enter, then you put dot. And anytime you expect this, you need to put dot, and you expect to see this information. If you don't see it, then it means there is somewhere you have gone wrong. For that one, you need to rectify for that one, and now you can put what you want to put, and you press enter like that. Once you are through with that one, you need to remember that you started with width, so you have to add width in this case. Then you go to the Kobo 2, do this one. This one now is for the roll number. As you can see, this is the employee information. Also, it means you have to put the roll number, whereby this will present employee number for this. With this one, now you have the Kobo 3. Kobo 3 represent the gender, whereby it's now this one for the sex represent the gender, whereby it is a male or female, two options. We have Kobo 4. This Kobo 4 represents now this department. As you can see, this is a Kobo 4 here, which is now this in the name here. This Kobo 4 is the one now represent this information about the gender. As you can see in this department, those are some of the department I have put in my list, so that you can just come here, either you type it or just choose from the list of those departments which are the main department in our company. In this case, now once you put that one, you can do the same. You click add with. Once you click add with, now you can be through with that one. We have a label LBL time.caption is equals time. This one, they are here. For example, here you can see, you can't see it. For example, once you click it, the time you see there is something which is there, but that one represent a label for time, and the other one for date. It means this is how you're gonna code using in the form mode, so that automatically will reflect the current time in the system and the date which is still in the system, so that when you print that receipt, automatically you give the time and the date when it was being created or being printed. Once you are with those information, now you have this command button. You can just create this one. For example, this one is called CMD payment, and you have this one for command 2. You have this command 3, which represent payslip. And now with those one, now you can come here. Once you are through this section, now you can go either to the other information. This represents the menu as we have talked previously there about those menus, which we have effected in a very easier way. Now let's go to this command button here. You can just double click here, and these are some of the codings for the main information there, whereby you need to program. This is where you need to come here and you program simply like this. We have the full names, whereby this the full names. We have the basic. The full name should be string, and why string? Because we put the name of a person, which is a text. So anytime you hear about a string, it's all about text. We have the basic pay, which is the currency. We have the tax. We have NHF, NSF. All those are currencies. We have allowance, which is currency, among all those, until you go to the last one, which is now the currency. Then full names is equals variable text1.text. Then now you can come here. All those are some of the information that you're gonna program there without no problem. Little by little you go, you make it. That means you come here. If you are talking about the basic pay, you can see we have those are still intact on that. But once you come start with this one, you need to be typing both of them. You can see there we have some of those information that are necessary for programming, and you need not to ignore them because they are very crucial for that. They are very crucial anytime you are working on that.